I think Acadia students should care about their waste because we're the students that are coming up in this generation. I think it's important for the students to fully understand the streams, just as there is a lot of work that will go into sorting the waste after the waste has been taken away. Missorted coffee cups, especially because some are compostable where others are not. Going zero waste, trying to use less disposable items. And I don't think a lot of students understand. We'll be the ones who have to deal with all the leftover garbage. It won't be the older generations, it'll be our generation coming up that'll have to deal with the side effects.
I think it's become very clear that every choice we make has an impact. We know that we're headed in a certain direction that we need to change. Sorting your waste, turning off the lights, all these things we know we're supposed to do, I think could really help. It's not just about you, it's about the whole community.
I think a small university is more family. I think we should manage our waste responsibly because future generations depend on it.
My name is Ben Hewins. I'm a recent graduate of Acadia University where I was a biology student studying the effects of microplastics on marine snails. Primary microplastics are those that are introduced as sort of prefabricated small beads, as you would find in a cosmetic scrub or a facial cleanser. And then secondary microplastics, which you see a lot in the oceans, is things like plastic bottles and bags that break down with the waves and the chemical abrasion. There's thousands of particles per meter cubed of seawater. Those are alarming numbers. It's not going to add a lot to your day to put a bottle or a plastic wrapper in the right bin. That's a small thing we can do to sort of start mitigating the footprint.
When we started this research, we were really surprised at how much microplastic is in the environment and how very low exposures to microplastic can completely change tissue structure and function in these really common animals that live out there. We take them up into our tissues as well, and how is that impacting our own biology? When you don't need to buy something that's in plastic, just refuse it. That really makes a big difference.
There is a sustainability office on campus, and you can always reach out to us and ask for help. There's so much information on the sustainability website that will help you figure this stuff out, because at the end of the day, we're all learning together.